Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Esteemed Tech. So in today's tutorial we are going to install Anaconda. So let's begin. Go to the Google Chrome and search for download Anaconda. After searching for it, you are going to find this link on the very top, Individual Edition Anaconda. So click on it. You are going to reach the website anaconda.com/products/individual. So scroll down, more down, until you reach the section Anaconda installers. So click on this link. Because I'm using Windows operating system, so I'm going to install 64-bit graphical installer for my system, and if you're using Macintosh you can click on this link, and if you're using Linux and you have to click on this link. So let's start. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on this link to download Anaconda. So it is being downloaded. As you can see, my Anaconda has been downloaded, so I'm going to click on it. I'm running it. Now installer is in front of me, so for the first time I need to click next to continue. Yes, click on next, and then click on I agree and click on next. If you want to change the destination folder, you can change it from here. Click on next, click on install. It is going to take a moment to finish. Let's wait for a while. So the installation has been completed successfully. So now we are going to click on next again, and click on next again, and then click on finish, or you can untick this. Click on finish. After your installation has been finished, now you have to go to the search bar on the taskbar and search for Jupyter Notebook Anaconda 3, and right click on it and pin to taskbar, and then double click on it and wait for a while until you have this page of localhost in your browser. So what we can do in here is click on new and create a new folder. Create a new folder, and this folder is here. Tick this folder and rename it. I'm going to rename it with Python class, and click on rename. So this is my Python class. This is my folder that I have created. Open this folder and click on new. Click on Python 3. So now you are going to create all the Python files in your folder Python class. So here we can start learning Python, and we can, if you want to change the name of this notebook, you can definitely change the name like class 1, or you can also use the topic name as your notebook name. Alright, so now like here I'm using 2 plus 2. You know, Python is a great calculator. So I'm going to do 2 plus 2 and I'm going to click on run. So you can find it here, the answer. So make sure when you're writing code, this thing should be on the code. This drop down menu, you have to check this drop down menu that if code option is being selected or not. So it should be code. And if you want to create a heading, or I can write it here, Python is a great calculator. Alright, so I'm going to click on here to insert a new cell below and make sure this is code. So now I'm going to write some code like A is equals to 68 and B is equals to 76 and C is equals to A plus B or something like this, and I'm using the print statement to print it. So this is very simple. So click on, you can also click on this button to run your cell. So make sure this is line number 1, this is line number 2, and when you are going to click on this and you're going to click on run, it is going to become line number 3. So but the thing is, this should be in sequence. If you want to make if you want to run your code in sequence, in that case you have to click on this, like restart the kernel, restart and run all cells. So now see, so it was 3 before, now it is 1, and now it is 2, and it is going to run in sequence. So in this tutorial we have learned all these things, and in upcoming tutorial we are going to learn a variety of things. So be connected. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.